As your alarm goes off, another workday begins. You're sitting as you're having breakfast. Sitting on your way to work. Only to sit at your desk. In meetings. At lunch. More meetings. Until it's time to go home and sit some more. Are you seeing a pattern here? Did you know that over the course of the day you're sitting an average of 12 hours? You may be asking yourself, there's got to be a better way. Introducing the Sit and Stand Desktop Workstation. Its slim design fits on your desktop with enough room for your workstation setup. Easily adjust the height with the gas-assisted handles to go from sitting to standing within seconds. So start enjoying the benefits with increased productivity and a healthier lifestyle.